Okay, so first you get a little bit of grease in your skillet. Get your diced up potatoes and cook those first because potatoes take the longest to cook. I diced up bell peppers and onions. Okay, so these are done. I'm going to drain these on a napkin and a plate so we can move on to the next step. Okay, next you want to take your whatever type of sausage. With all this coronavirus stuff going on, the store is very limited to certain items and certain things, so that's all they had, so that's what I grabbed. But we're gonna use the same skillet. So yeah, break that up, let that cook, because we're gonna have to take this out and let it drain, let the grease drain. Okay, our sausage is now done, so I'm gonna set that aside and let the grease drain out and move on to the eggs. Okay, so I always melt butter for my eggs. Don't burn the butter, because if you burn the butter, your eggs they're gonna look dark. So I'm going to pour my eggs in and scramble my eggs. So now that my eggs are scrambled, we're gonna set this aside and get to falling. Okay, so I have everything laid out. I got the potatoes, the eggs, the sausage. Now, the store didn't have biscuits. All they had were the croissants, but that's okay. It worked just as fine. So I have some butter. I told y'all I'm gonna use the same skillet. I have some butter. I'm gonna put that in the oven, let it melt so I can butter the skillet, and get these things popped in. Okay, so y'all see that here? Yeah, I'm using paper plates because I don't have real dishes yet. I just moved into our new home, so that's fine. Less dishes I'm gonna have to do. So this thing comes like this. What I'm gonna do is just ball it up, because there's like some slits already in there. My hands are clean. Ball that up. Let me get another paper plate. Ball that up like that. Check my butter, make sure it's not melting. I mean, not melting, not burning. Okay, so I'm gonna break a piece off. It's about this much. Smush it, like so. And then we can fill it up. Put whatever you want in there. This is just what I had in mind. Some potatoes, some meat. I wish I had some jalapenos. I sure would have put some jalapenos in there. And then some eggs. This is my first time doing this, so I imagine it wouldn't go as planned. But yeah. Then you get that like that. And you wanna, bring these to the top. Some things might pop out. That's okay. Like that. And smooth it out. And there we have a breakfast ball. So let me get this pan full, and then we're gonna see what it looks like after. Oh, if you have cheese, you can put cheese in there. I don't have any shredded cheese, but put whatever you want in there. Make sure that's nice and pinched. Okay, so this is how if you was wondering. So you melt the butter. Then you just slowly, to get it on the sides, you just slowly go around like this to coat the sides. Or you can always get a napkin, paper towel, whatever you choose. Yeah. And that's how you do that. Okay, so I have them all rolled up in the skillet, butter at the bottom and around the sides. As you can see, I still have a lot left over. These kids are out of school. You can make breakfast tacos, burritos, whatever. Let them eat it, because they will. So yeah, we'll be back so you guys can see what it looks like after. Okay, so this is what they look like afterwards. A nice flour, and with some butter. And we're just gonna rub that thing on top of there. Going to make some incisions, like so. So whenever they get some, they can just pull it out. Or if you don't want them reaching in, you can pull it out. This is what it looks like. Nice, brown, pretty, soft, buttery. And there you have it. Just like that.